welcome back, everyone. So bear with me. Many of you know, Alex was the original one to help me out. Then Nicole helped me, and now Alex is back helping me out. But Alex did have to catch a flight today, so I'm here. Bear with me. So I'm watching the chat for questions, but I am running solo. So I don't have my awesome assistant, Alex. So bear with me if I miss anything, or if this is, maybe a little, maybe not the best pre-market prep ever. I am flying solo. So that being said, PPSI, Walleye Gill, one of the OGs. Walleye Gill coming in right away, as soon as it starts, man. Be fast. So anyway, asking about PPSI. Listen, you guys know, it's EVs, recent squeezer, blue sky chart, low float, moron shorting it. This is everything for a dip and rip. I just wish, man, this is what we need. Okay. So this ran up on no news. Man, if I tell you, if they can drop just any kind of press release. So again, amazing move last night. Break of the highs, huge squeeze. I don't see any news yet, but hint. Let's go to the old. Let's go to the. We need to talk to these guys. This is where's the executive team, management. All right, Nathan, Walt, where's the Thomas Klink? Where's our marketing team? Anyway, man, I hate when they don't have pictures. But anyway, Walt, Nathan, Yassi, Ian, David, Jonathan, hint, Thomas, get us a PR. So, but anyway, it's a dip and rip all day. So I'm so disorganized without Alex. Pre-market live stream, and it is the 30th, 2021. PPSI checks all the boxes for a dip and rip. Would be an extra bonus to get a PR and a chat pump. Woo! Would that be nice? So, and then stuff for me, PPSI. There's these PPSI, IPSC, clowns all up in my DMs. So if you watched the weekend video, this was the #1 Monday morning squeeze idea. Check it out. It's on the YouTube. And when this thing went red to green, it goes from 16 to 30. And I got all the bros. They're all up in my comments and my DMs. Oh, Tim, I crushed it short. Meanwhile, I'd like to know what your short signal was. What'd you do? Short at 19, add at 20, add at 22, add at 24, add at 26, add at 28, add at 30. And then you risked like $20 a share, and then maybe you made like 5 cents a share into the close. Well done, bros. That's trading, baby. Yeah, that's great risk management. So anyway, let's check the Oracle plan on this guy. IP. Ooh, 2479. Ooh! 2479, aka 25 break. I like that to blow up some bros. 2479 level, aka whole $25 is the blow up bros level. So, all right, man, again. So, guys, LCID. Man, this is so much harder. So much harder doing it solo. I miss you, Alex. LCID is a week open ready green. We did a sheet on it last night. As always, I always show you these swing trade sheets on Tuesday morning. You can't read it, okay? Check out the Steady Trade team, all right? This was a 40-minute webinar breaking down LCID, but we talked about that 55 area. And again, I know you can't read it. I walked the whole team through it. I explain everything, but love this as an EV swing week open red to green. Red to green today. And ISPC we talked about. A lot of you guys asking about FWBI. First Wave Biopharma. What do we got? We got 12 million floater trading 13 million shares. COVID. It's funny. Remember, I ranted about ignoring COVID news, but new variant changes everything. So now all the COVID plays are dip and rips, VWAP holds, etc. And again, you can call me out. You can be like, well, Tim, for forever, you're like, they're dead. Yeah, okay. Guess what? I didn't know we were going to have monthly variants, okay? Obviously, when I signed up for the Soup of the Month Club and I signed up for the Cigar of the Month Club, I didn't realize I need to check my credit card statement. By the way, check your credit. It's easy to sign up for these services and you forget. All of a sudden you're paying for like 15 different streaming services. Evidently, when I signed up for the Soup of the Month Club, I also accidentally signed us up for the Variant of the Month Club as well. My apologies. I'll be sure to check my credit card statement later today. That being said, all these crappy things are dip and rips and VWAP holds as long as they've got float rotation. Understand, I say avoid the higher float ones, trade the ones with float rotation. So anyway, FWBI, dip and rip, VWAP hold. And then, speaking of that, BFRI, is BFRI dead? Famous last words. Price action says yes, but if this can retest yesterday's highs, they did the offering, but anything's possible right now. Way to go, Clark! Well done, Scott. Well done, Scott, with the Clark Griswold reference. IMGN. Ooh, cancer. Okay. Higher float, but cancer. Big breakout over 7. So, cancer plays are always in play. Talking from a technical analysis standpoint, you just broke a May, June, July, August, September. 9-month break right there. So I'm probably going to lean towards EVs, COVID short squeezes, etc. But listen, if you take IMGN over 7, ovarian cancer, multi-month breakout, I think that's totally a good day trade. So big breakout over 7 on cancer news. What's with the yelling? Is it part of the presentation? Welcome aboard, Bruce. Remember, one of the key parts of pre-market prep is always set your speakers at the lowest possible level. BFRI has earnings today? For real? Interesting. So Imram says BFRI has earnings. Keep an eye on that. Don't bag hold into earnings, but that's interesting. You should put your screen to the right so we can see the float info. Yeah, I will. That's actually a good suggestion. I'll move my. I don't even know how I do it. I'm too dumb. Does this do it? I'm probably gonna screw it up. I probably can't do it during this. So good suggestion. Move webcam to right side so key statistics can be seen. Note to self. Also remember to unsubscribe from the variant of the month club. Thank you. 2 to-dos for me today. Doesn't IMGN need more volume? Well, Michelle, I think the volume will come in. I mean, you got to remember, Michelle, it's 8:40 a.m. It's early. So I think the volume will come in on IMGN. And understand, for an old guy like me, 7 million shares in pre-market's amazing. You guys are all spoiled, In the olden days, our favorite day trades would trade 7 million shares the entire day. Like, no kidding. So here's your coffee shop moment, okay, where Tim talks about the olden days, because you guys love it so much. Everybody loves when Tim talks about the dark days of day trading from 2010 to 2015. But I'm telling you, 2010 to 2015, if we had a crappy cancer stock trading 7 million shares at 8 a.m., everybody would be losing their minds. So I think the volume will come in. DWAC, same thing. Chat pump on PPSI. Thank you. So Graphicist, I'm going to end on that. Let me look at my breaking news. I do want to confirm that. Not saying you would make it up. Yep. Chat pump at 8:34. So thank you for using breaking news. Who said it? I don't know who said it. Graphicist. Thumbs up, Graphicist. Well done. So yeah. So there you go. Number ones. I'm going to end as I began. I made it through without Alex. It was the Dark Ages. Robert, okay, listen. Black plague, starvation, locusts, fire, death, destruction, war, ice ages. They ain't got nothing on 2010 to 2015. Nothing. That 5-year span, I would love to live in the dark ages and get infected by rats, my foot chewed off because of gangrene. I'd be 3 feet tall. I'm already short enough, but I'd probably be 3 feet tall because of malnutrition. Ha! I would have killed to live in those days versus try and day trade 2010 to 2015 when we'd get one stock that would move like we get 10 stocks move these days. By the way, cats and dogs living. I think, did anybody get the Blues Brothers reference? Who's old enough to get the Blues? I tried doing the Blues Brothers. Remember when Jake is trapped in the sewer tunnel? And Carrie Fisher has the AR. And Jake goes into the hole. Fire! Locusts! Cats and dogs living together. Well done. Somebody's as old as me. So, all right. Have a great day. PPSI, dip and rip. ISPC over 25. COVID plays are back. EV plays are back. Have a great day. I made it without Alex. And we will see you next time. I miss you, Alex. If you happen to watch the replay.